If you're living during the time of Jesus, chances are, meron kayong mga taong tinitingala. At sino to mga ito? Of course, you have Moses, you have Abraham, David, no? And Elijah, no? And probably others. Marami pang iba diyan. Ito yung mga kumbaga sa yung mga talagang considered as greatest prophets, kings, heroes, no? And along came John the Baptist. At ito ang pagkaka-describe ni John, or should I say, ni Jesus kay John the Baptist. In Matthew chapter 11 verse 11, ang sabi ni Kristo tungkol kay John the Baptist, among those born of women, no, sa lahat ng pinanganak, no one has arisen greater than John the Baptist. Ibig sabihin nito, John the Baptist, little old John, is greater than all these people. Why? It's because of the office that he holds as a human being. Ganon kataas ang binigay sa kanya na opisina, na posisyon. No? Yes, there are kings, there are prophets, but wala pang pinanganak na binigyan ng titulo or ng posisyon as a prophet, and at the same time, the forerunner of the Son of God. No? Of course, this means this is Yahweh in the flesh. No? The Word became flesh. No? Now, even though ito na ang pinaka matinding posisyon na pwedeng ibigay sa tao that can be bestowed on a human being, wala pa rin itong panama to a person who is a member of the kingdom of God. Kahit siya pa yung pinakamababa, even though he is the least important member of the kingdom of God. You know why? Because kahit anong gawin mo pa, you're still human. Okay? Nandito ko pa rin sa baba. Hindi mo pwedeng ikumpara ito sa someone who is a member of God's kingdom kahit siya pa yung pinaka least important na miyembro. And you know why? Because John chapter 1 tells us, verse 12 to 13 tells us that all who have received him, those who believe in his name, in Jesus Christ, he has given the right to become God's children. No? Children not born by human parents, but by God. So ibang usapan to. You're comparing sons of human and sons of God. So ibang-iba. There is virtually no comparison. Hindi mo to pwedeng i-compare. No? That is what Jesus is pointing out. What he is not saying is that John the Baptist or the prophets or the kings are not part of the kingdom of God. Ito mga taong ito na minention natin kanina. No? He is simply saying that you want to become part of the kingdom of God because humanly speaking, there is simply no way for you to attain this position na ibibigay sa atin ng Panginoon, which is to become sons of God. And with that, God bless.